morning, everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Campus Chronicles. I, Gauri Mishra of Class 11, will be the host of this week edition of Campus Chronicles and will give you all the insights happening in the school campus.
The school has started after the summer vacation. The faces are new and fresh, and the children are brimming with excitement and joy to start a new beginning.
Sir,
Leadership
on
is
behalf
not
of
just
the entire
inherited,
Madras
it is
India family,
earned and
we
entrusted,
extend
and
our
every
warmest
ending marks
and most
begins with a
heartfelt
new
welcome to
journey.
you.
As one
We are
chapter
genuinely
closes and
excited
another
for
begins,
the future,
we witness and
knowing that your
celebrate
fresh
a proud
vision and
moment
commitment
and
will
symbolic
guide us
passing
to even
of the
greater
mantle
heights.
to the next
So
generation.
please, all of you,
Young
welcome
leaders
our
carrying
respected
forward the
director,
spirit of
Mr.
excellence,
Ariman Agarwal,
commitment,
with a
and
huge
service.
resounding
Let
round
us
of
glimpse a
applause.
special moment of trust, legacy, and a new beginning.
Principal
It
ma'am,
was a
Vice Principal
delightful
ma'am,
moment for
Coordinator
the
ma'am,
school as
all the
respected
teachers,
manager
members
Sir
of the staff, and
introduced
my
the
dear
new
children.
director of our
As
school
Ruchi ma'am
leadership,
said,
Mr. Ariman
it is a special
Agarwal, to
moment.
embrace the responsibility
Apart from the
committed to
Madras India
nurturing
family,
young
as
minds,
parents,
upholding values,
me and
and
Chandana
leading
ma'am
our
are really
school
proud of this
towards
moment.
new
Any
milestones of
parent dreams
excellence.
that they
As they
I have
embark
attended
on
these
this
assemblies,
inspiring
studied
journey,
in these classrooms,
join us
and learned
as we
valuable
welcome
lessons that
them
continue to
and
guide
look
me even
forward
today.
to a future
I
filled
sincerely
with
thank the
vision,
management for
dedication,
placing their
and
trust in me
success.
and giving me this responsibility. I accept.
Let me give you a glimpse of the beautiful lush green school campus. It's raining and we were finally received from the extreme heat which was dampening our energy since last so many days. The session resumed after the summer break. The children were filled with renewed energy. The studies began with full enthusiasm and zeal. The unit tests are just around the corner and the session tests are on beginning conducted in all the classes for preparation of UT tests. The session resumed after the summer break and the children were filled with renewed energy. The studies began with full enthusiasm and zeal. The unit tests are just around the corner and the revision tests are being conducted in all the classes for preparation of the UTs. The art room is in a vibrant mood filled with bundles of handmade flowers. These flowers bouquets are presented to our guests from time to time as a token of welcome. The colors of patriotism will soon be spread all around. The Independence Day background is already in making as 15 August is a day of pride for all of us and we wish to make this day even more special. Even the little ones are preparing seriously for their first grade evaluation. Their revision tests are also in progress. The little angels and fairies seem deeply committed to their academics.
People transform with the change in season. They change in their dressing sense, in their eating habits, and also in their drinking habits. So, summers are always marked with the markets flooded up with different varieties of mangoes. And our management has planned to throw a juicy party of mangoes and give us a very juicy and nice surprise. As the theme of the party was yellow, so we can see that all the teachers are dressed up in yellow. They all are enjoying the fruit and also preserving their memories altogether. Now whenever they will eat mango, these memories will occur in their mind and will give them a fresh company. We can see our principal ma'am is also cutting mangoes, and here the director ma'am, the newly appointed director ma'am, vice principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am, they all are busy in cutting mangoes.